Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 2-car with baseboards. We're down in Dunedin. So this is a full chip job. Polyaspartic top coat. Written lifetime warranty. Here's how we detailed in the hot water heater. So we grounded over this lead and edge, rounded it over, chipped it in. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.